feel right now after losing so many kgs?
I'm feeling light and my mind is now clear and I have now great mind of thoughts.
Okay.
And with that I'm doing a lot of activity which I was not able to do when I was obese, like going for trekking, cycling and interacting with my friends, and lot of productivity things that has happened in my life, like reading books, listening to podcasts and having student community, and that's a great journey.
Okay. So how far you are motivated yourself that the basic need, as we say, food is the basic need as others. Then how far it is understood by you that how you will you have lost so many kgs and you are in an ideal weight right now, and how you will further you will follow this and be healthy.
Yes.
Can you just share me and others so that other people will definitely motivated by this?
Yes. So first thing first, food is everything. Like food is the basic nutrition. Like without, you may go for exercising, you may go for the dieting, but at the end, the food is the thing that's going to change.
Okay.
So if you have great food, like if you take a food that are going to go well with your digestive system, then this thing also going to affect your brain. And at the end, you are going to have a healthy lifestyle. So my thought was that if I'm eating healthy, if I'm treating my body with good foods and good nutrition, then at the end it is going to be help me with my brain and also my mental peace, which is related. So this thinking changed my all the perspective to the fast food that I got. That fast food is great, but after this thought that nutrition is more and more is needed in day-to-day life. So this thing changed me a lot, and I guess when I changed my food cycle, that is a major factor for weight loss. So yeah, at the end I won the situation.
Okay. So my question is that you have joined with us in the year 2019.
Yes.
Right? Before the pandemic situation has arrived. So as I have seen that you were at the weight of 106 and 7.
Yes.
So what was the thought at that time after before joining, and as you said that you were having a better life nowadays. So I want to go through your bit in brief. You just share with
Yes.
me that how you are motivated.
Yes, sure. So when I joined this institution, I was weighing 105 kilos. I guess due to education work, I have to leave this institution and it's a temporary break.
Okay.
So when I come back, my weight shot to 122, which is alarming situation for me at the age of 18 to 19. So at that moment, I realized, no, this is time to wake up, and I have to deal with this situation. And after that, the pandemic struck. So everything was on me that if I could use this pandemic as an opportunity to lose my weight and gain my confidence, or to gain weight and lose my confidence.
Okay.
So I choose the win-win situation to go on losing weight and to build my confidence. So what I did, as I said earlier, food is a key factor. I maintained my diet. I put on healthy food in my gut, in my stomach, and
Yeah, I interrupt here because Mama has called me like 2-3 times in this pandemic because the situation, like institution was closed and the nutritional counseling was a major key of your weight loss. So I spoke with her and I was letting myself sound that you are following and you are doing and you are motivated. You are not in a very hardship that how to lose and how to get my weight back. So I will definitely listen you.
yes. So during this pandemic, as I said, I put healthy food in my body, and I continue to do so. And with that, I included basic exercises, cardio sessions, which is more than enough for me, so that my body keeps on walking.
Yeah.
It doesn't get stuck. I don't be in the category of couch potato. So yeah, that's the only 2 things I did. And as you said, your counseling, with every time I used to counsel with you.
So what do you understand by this nutritional counseling? How far it is? As we said that we professionals said that yes, balanced nutrition, then nutrient, all the terms are like a panic for others. So how you will explain itself?
So in a nutshell, I can say eat home foods.
Yes.
That's more than enough. You don't have to go into macros, micros. What is the protein content? What is the fat content? What is the B12 content? Just eat homemade food. That is more than enough, because as in Indian foods, I can see it is completely packed with all the nutrients that we needed in our body to move and to work out. So yeah, in a nutshell, I can say home food is great.
Okay, thank you, Siddharth. Like you have lost, and now presently your weight is saying that you are at the weight of 83.5.
Yes.
So I am very glad that we made a very nice step for you, and you have lost near about 38 kg,
Yes.
whatever 38 or 39.
Yes.
Okay. So many congratulations that you have achieved your goal, and I think you will definitely be healthy forever. And don't. And I found that you were not in a single minute you have thought in a negative thought कि yes I मेरा होगा नहीं होगा.
Yes.
That I could not find in this.
Actually, for that, I made a plan that achieving a goal weight is not a short period; it's a sustainable.
Yes.
Like you have to sustain that weight till your death when you go to the bed. So that's my plan. At the end of the day, it's not about how much weight I lose. It's the whole life that I'm getting.
Okay, thank you. So I think this one line you can say for your young youth that to motivate themselves for better health.
Eat healthy, work for your goals, achieve your target, and above all, work for a side hustle that will make you engage your brain so that you can work on your health and everything.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Siddharth.
Nice talking to you.